Hey guys, do you want to last longer on bed? I got something special for you. In this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 drugs as well as medicines that can help you to last longer on bed. These medicines that I'm going to share in this video, they will change you from 0 to hero because they can help you to last on bed from 1 up to 20. Maybe this is the first time you are watching our video on this platform. I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we drop something new on this YouTube channel. Now, without any further ado, let's get into detail. Hello guys, welcome to International Medical TV. Like I said in the beginning of this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 medicines that can help you to last longer on bed. Normally, if a person can't last longer on bed or can't have a good erection during a sexual intercourse with his partner, so normally it is due to erectile dysfunctions. So these medicines that I'm going to share in this video, they are medicine for a first-line treatment of erectile dysfunctions. If you are having difficulty in getting an erection, taking this medication, it will help you to last longer, like I said in the beginning. These medications are tadalafil, sildenafil, abanafil, and abantafil. These medications reverse the erectile dysfunction by enhancing effect of a nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide, this is a chemical in your body that relaxes the muscles in your penis by allowing a movement to enter, which help you to get a good erection during a sexual stimulation. So now let's talk about how to take this medication. The first one is sildenafil. If you want these drugs to work for you effectively, so you have to take it empty stomach 1 hour before sexual intercourse. And this medication, it will help you to have a good erection for about 24 hours during a sexual intercourse. Secondly is sildenafil. If you want this drug to work for you effectively, so you have to take it 1 hour before sexual intercourse, and you can take it with the food or without food. Also, there is a newer form of a sildenafil that you can put it under your tongue. What I mean is sublingual. So when it dissolves in your tongue, so you will be surprised because it can make you have 10 to 12 hours erection. The second to the last is tadalafil. This drug, if you want it to work for you perfectly, so you have to take it 1 hour before sexual intercourse, and you can take it with food or without food. This drug, it can help you to have a 36 hours longer erection. So if you want to achieve a better erection, so you have to try this medication. The last on our list, which is abanafil, you can take it with food or without food if you want it to for you effectively, and this drug can help you to have a 1 to 3 hours longer erection. Here we have come to the end of this video. I want you to try one of this medicine and tell me the feedback after 1 week in the comment section. And if you don't want to use this drug, you have to check in the description below of this video. I have dropped a link on one of my videos where I have shared tips and tricks that can help you to last longer naturally without taking medications. If you found this video educative and helpful, please don't forget to support us by subscribing and liking and sharing our videos to your family and friends. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Bye.